Today is a solar eclipse day, and I have prepared my tripod, camera and everything to cover the solar eclipse, show you the transition. But we are in Chennai, and today not even for 1 minute the sun came out. The sun was covered entire time by the cloud from the time it came up, and it's already 4 o'clock. Until now we haven't seen the sun. So I don't think we are going to blog about the solar eclipse today. But because the camera is already out, we are going to review a face mask which I have bought from Seniority.in. Seniority.in is a website which provides masks, medicines and a lot of equipments for older people. And now because of the pandemic, they have also started selling masks, and they don't have a proper review on their website or into Facebook. Not many reviews available online. So we have bought 2 of their masks, and we are going to wear it and review it if you need to buy mask from Seniority or not. So there are 2 masks that we got from Seniority.in. One is the disposable blue mask, which you have to use it for 1 day and you have to throw it out. It comes in a pack of 50 and it cost $4.99. So one mask cost you 10 rupees. And then the second one is the N95, which comes for 500 rupees. The actual price on the sheet is $7.99, which is 800 rupees. But they give it in an offer of 500 rupees. So the first thing is that we are going to talk about the disposable mask, which comes in a pack of 50, and they claim that this is a 3-layer mask. So I can actually cut and show you, but because I'm going to return it, I don't want to cut because they will not take it back. But in their advertisement, they claim that it's made up of 3 layers of cloth, and this mask is very good if you're going somewhere outside to market or to a shop for just 1 or 2 hours. You can wear this and then you can throw it off. But the biggest problem with this face mask is that ear loop. If you look closely, they have not stuck the ear loop to the cloth by stitching. They have stuck it by using a gum. I have already used 3 of it, and if you see, the ear loop came out. The second one, ear loop came out, and the third one also, the ear loop came out, because they have stuck it using a gum. I mean, like, this is going to be on your face for 1 hour or 2 hours. Anybody having common sense would have actually stitched it instead of using a Fevicol and stuck it. So whenever you wear it, within 10 seconds this comes out. So let's try a mask. See. So this is utter waste of money. I spent 500 rupees to get 50 of this, and I don't think I'm going to use this. So I have asked for a refund, and they have been taking so long time. It's already 1 week. So let's see if they are giving me refund for this. So for the Seniority.in disposable mask, the rating is 0 out of 5, because the most important thing for a mask is to hold your mask on your face, and that itself this is not doing. Second, we are going to review N95 mask provided by Seniority.in. Now, the 2 very important quality of mask is that it should protect you, and second thing is it should be comfortable on your skin, because you're going to wear it for a very long time. So now in my hand we have the Seniority.in N95. It comes with a breathing valves, so the breathing is really easy. The filter or the front portion of this is really good. However, there is a downside to this too. This is not a disposable mask. This is a mask which you are going to have it for a week or maybe longer time, and this needs to have a better ear loop which stays on your ear for a very long time. But if you see closely, this is stuck again using a gum, and the ear loop is really uncomfortable. After wearing this for half an hour, you start feeling pain in your ears, and it's not very elasticity as like the 3M material. So it kind of starts irritating in your ear, and many a times it comes out. So again, for this, out of 5, I give 3. The reason is because ear loop. I think the Seniority products are really good, but the major problem is the ear loop. And if they try to fix the ear loop, I think it will be a good product. Now, my biggest problem with Seniority.in is not their mask, because I can communicate with them, I can give them feedback, and I can get refund for whatever I have paid. My biggest problem with Seniority.in is their integrity. I think the company is running on a basis of fraud. The reason is because I have posted a negative feedback on their Facebook and they have taken it out. Also, I have posted multiple feedbacks. Of course, it is negative, but it doesn't talk bad about the company. It's a feedback. I have put 2-3 reviews on their website, and though it is negative, but it is in the form of feedback. And I feel that these people don't post negative feedbacks on their website. Even on their Facebook, when I posted some feedbacks telling that your product is not good, they deleted my comment within 5 minutes. And their service is also really bad. I have been trying to talk to them for 3-4 days for a refund, and till now nothing has been done. They just keep saying that wait for 24 hours, wait for 48 hours. But I think when you delete my negative feedbacks and my reviews from your website and from your Facebook page, you deny other people the opportunity of my review. And in that way you are actually committing a fraud, because you take out all the negative comments and people think that okay, this product is really good, and they buy it, and ultimately they feel cheated like me. I have spent 2,500 rupees on buying this 50+4 mask, N94 4 mask, and I am not happy with any of these things. And I hope that they take my feedback seriously and they provide the ear loop little more stronger.